Understanding freak out, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel where we decode phrases and idioms to help you speak like a native. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, freak out. Have you ever heard someone say they freaked out and wondered what that means? Well, you're in the right place to find out. The phrase, freak out, has a few different meanings, but it generally refers to a strong emotional reaction to something. It's often used to describe situations where someone is very excited, scared, or angry and loses control over their emotions. For example, if someone says, "I freaked out when I saw the spider," it means they were very scared and possibly screamed or jumped. The term, freak out, first became popular in the 1960s and was associated with a sudden and intense emotional reaction to music, drugs, or the social and political upheaval of the time. It's believed that the word, freak, originally meant a sudden and unexpected idea or thing. And over time, it came to be used as a verb to describe a sudden and intense emotional reaction. Freak out can be used in several ways. You can freak out, you can have a freak out, or something can make you freak out. Here are a few examples. I freaked out during the horror movie because it was so scary. She had a freak out when she realized her wallet was missing. Getting stuck in an elevator can make some people freak out. Remember, although freak out is a casual phrase, it's not always appropriate to use in formal situations. It's best kept for informal conversations among friends or in less formal writing. While freak out is a commonly used phrase, it's important to know when it's not appropriate to use it. In professional or formal settings, you might want to use words like overreact or panic instead. Also, be sensitive to the situation. If someone is genuinely upset or the situation is serious, it's better to use more respectful language to describe their emotional state. There are also variations of freak out that you might hear. For example, freaking out or freak out can be used as a noun, as in, she's having a freak out over the wedding plans. It's also used in the phrase, freak out moment, which refers to a specific time when someone lost their composure. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, freak out. Remember, language is all about conveying emotions and reactions, and freak out is a phrase that does just that in English. Until next time, keep practicing your English and don't freak out if you make mistakes. That's how you learn. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.